Section 14-1, Interpreting a Scatter Plot. A scatter plot is a graph that uses points to display the relationship between two different sets of data. Each point can be represented by an ordered pair. So let's look at this scatter plot that we have here. The title of the scatter plot is Ages and Diameters of Trees. You have your horizontal axis, which is better known as your x-axis to us. This represents age in years. The x-axis represents the ages of trees in years. It ranges from 0, and we have scales of 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, all the way up to 50. The y-axis represents the diameter of the trees, the diameter of the trees in inches. Every little mark is representing 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. The scatter plot shows the relationship between the ages and the diameters of various trees. Let's consider the point 25, 8. First number's x, second number's y. So start at the origin, go out on 25 on the x-axis, up to point 8. This point right here is the point 25, 8. This point represents a tree that is 25 years old and has a diameter of 8. That's what this point represents. The data might have been collected in a table. Each point represents the age and diameter of a tree. So this scatter plot was created maybe from a table. You collect your data, and then you take your data and put it into a scatter plot. So let's look for point A, 5.5, 20 years, 5.5 inches. So go out to 20 years, up 5.5. There's the point, okay, 25.5. Actually, it'd probably be this point, the one closer, because think about it, halfway would be 5, and then halfway in between 5 and 6, so this point really would be the 25.5. And then we have B, 43, so to the right 40 and up, 49. To the right 40 and up 9. So again, I would say this point about right here, because halfway in between 8 and 10 is 9. So 49 would be this point. Okay. Then we have the point 50, 11. So to the right 50 and up 11. Okay, right there, this point. Okay. So scatter plots are created from data that we get from tables and other graphs.